Producing labels and signs for anything from health and safety, facilities management and pipe marking to control panels and product identification used to be a specialised task, but not anymore. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The CPM-100 multicolour printer from OJ Holdings not only prints colour vinyl labels and signs, it cuts them to size and shape so they're ready to use. With a choice of different coloured vinyls and even more coloured ribbons, there is virtually no limit to the labels and signs that can be produced just by hooking the CPM-100 up to a Windows PC. They're long-lasting too. The vinyl is rated for 5 years for outdoor duty and it's backed with industrial-grade adhesive. Now this means that signs and labels produced using the CPM-100 can be used anywhere, indoors and out, and in damp or dirty industrial applications. You should find out more from OJ Holdings by calling them on 1300 764 788 or visit ojh.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.